Everyone, this is M. Hariprasad from ECE Group. Today I am here to explain about the topic of jumping statements in the C programming language. So let's proceed. First, jumping statements in C program. Jumping statements are used to alter normal sequence flow of execution. C supports four jumping statements: break, continue, go to, return. There are four types of jumping statements: break, go, continue, or go to, return. And jumping statements used to alter the sequence of flow of execution. Next, break statement. These are used to terminate loops or switch cases. Break statements are normally used to stop the loops or switch any case. Stick this case. Stops execution of the nearest loop or switch. This stops the nearest loop or switch. Example for break: for int I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 10, I plus plus, I if I equals to 5, break. Then the statements stops then the program stops up to there and returns the value 5. So break statements is normally used like this. Next, continue statement skips the current iteration of the loop and moves to the next iteration. Continue statements is nothing but present present condition is skipped and moved to next statement. For example, for I int equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus, if the above statement is false or correct, as the continue statement is present, it moves to the next iteration. This is the example of continue statement. Continue statement. Go to statement used for unconditional jump to a labeled statement and should be carefully used. This means unconditional jump. Go to statement means it directly enters into that statement and does not proceed any middle cases. Example for go to statement. Example: start, print hi, and go to start. This means as present go to start, it goes to start but does not print hi. This is the example of go to statement, and these are used for unconditional jumps. Go to statement. Next, exits a function and return statement. It exists a function and optionally returns a value. Return statement normally exist from that function and returns any value of the statement. For example, int add int a b, return a plus b. Return a plus b means it does not it exists as a data present, it exists from the function and return any value of the a plus b as a plus b. Next, comparison of jumping statements. Break, exist, loop or switch. Break statement is used for existing the loop or switch. Break, as we said that break means here the statements the function stops up to there and go to next go and stop and returns and go to return. Next, continue skips the current loop iteration. This means if the above condition is false or true, it continues the statements. It contains the next current loop equation. Next, go to jumps to labeled code. Jumps to labeled code means if what the function is given, it moves to that function but does not exist any other functions. This is the example of go to. Return, it directly exists from the function. If the return is present, it stops the function up to there. Next, conclusion. Jumping statements help control program flow efficiently. Jumping statements help control program very efficiently. Break, continue, return are widely used. We use often break, return, continue only, and rarely we use go to statement. Go to should be used sparingly. Go to statement we use very rarely. So this is the explanation of jumping statements in C programming language. Thank you.